Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Utah Pacific Islander Chamber event. Really happy to be here. I'm with Mountain West Small Business Finance, and we're helping small businesses get the financing they need in the local community.
All right, my name is John Kano. I own Honu. We do Honu.wear and lots of fun accessories, but we bring premium quality at an affordable price.
Hi, my name is Dion Henderson. Our table is representing the Mill, and at the Mill, I am the business consultant for the Minority Business Development Center. At the Mill, we have a host of services for small businesses and individuals that want to be educated on business resources, from SBDC, which is the Small Business Development Center, SBDV, which is for Veteran Affairs, all the way down to Goldman Sachs and their 10,000 small businesses. We also house the Apex, which is for government contracting, getting registered with SAMS, along with the Minority Business Development Center. We'd love to be able to answer and facilitate any questions you may have for your business or personal business growth.
Malalele Alicia Satini. I'm with the Utah Pacific Islander Health Coalition. And we are here to spread basically any health awareness. So a little bit about what we do, of course, is we have different programs. We have our diabetes management program, our women's health program for those with maternity health. But for me, with COVID-19, we have a bunch of these. We had a surplus of items from COVID, and so we are handing out face shields and shoe covers, hair coverings, even gloves. And so we want to support our Pacific Islander businesses. So we've been giving them out to our restaurant owners, and then also COVID test kits. I mean, you name it. So if you have COVID, please reach out to us. Our information, they will get it to you guys. And I wish everyone well on their future businesses.